morning, Atinda. Tell me about yourself.
Good morning, my name is Adinda Nabila. I am a recent graduate from SMK Muhammadiyah 1 Semarang, majoring in accounting. I have participated in several projects that improved my analytical communication and teamwork skill. I am eager to learn and can adapt quickly.
Why are you interested in this position?
I am interested in this position because it matches my skill in accounting. I also see this company as a good place to develop my knowledge and gain professional experience.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strengths are being detail-oriented, disciplined, and responsible. I can work well both independently and in a team. My weakness is overthinking, but I am learning to manage it better.
Describe a time when you worked fast and challenging.
I faced a challenge during a financial report project where there were differences in data. I solved it by checking the data carefully and discussing it with my team to find the correct solution.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself growing in this company, improving my accounting skill, and taking on greater responsibilities in financial management.
Good morning. Thank you for coming today. My name is Miss Nabila and I am the HR manager here at Mones Company. I will be conducting your interview today. Before we begin, how are you?
Good morning, Miss Nabila. I'm doing well, thank you. I'm excited to be here.
Great to hear that. Let's start with a simple question. Could you please introduce yourself and tell me a little about your background?
My name is Anissa Prastisyana and I am first graduate accounting from Semarang University. During my studies, I learned basic accounting principles such as financial reporting, journal entries, and final statement analysis. And I am responsible and detail-oriented person and enjoy working with numbers. As a fresh graduate, I have 1 year internship experience at a manufacturing company as an accounting staff member. During my internship, I was responsible for recording daily transactions, assisting with reconciliation, and ensuring the proper preparation of financial reports. Furthermore, I am familiar with using accounting software such as Accurate and SAP to support my work. With my background and skill, I am confident I can make a positive contribution to the company's accounting team.
Thank you for that introduction. Now, could you explain why you are interested in applying for this accounting position in our company?
I'm interested in this position because it is aligned with my educational background in accounting. I want to apply the knowledge I have learned and gain real work experience. I also believe that company has a good reputation and professional environment where I can grow and I improve my skill.
That's good to know. Based on your understanding, how do your skills and experience align with the needs of this company?
Even though I am fresh graduate, I have basic accounting knowledge and strong attention to detail. I am also disciplined, willing to learn, and able to work both individually and in a team. I believe these qualities will help me adapt and contribute to the company.
Alright, let's talk about your personal qualities. What would you say are your main strengths and weaknesses?
My strengths are that I am detail-oriented, responsible, and eager to learn. I always try to complete the work very fully and on time. My weakness is that I sometimes lack confidence because I am still new, but I am working on improving myself by learning and gaining more experience.
Thank you for being honest. Can you describe a situation where you faced a challenge and how you handled it?
One challenge I faced when I was ready for assessment with tight deadlines during my studies, I managed it by organizing my schedule and prioritizing tasks. As a result, I was able to complete all assessment on time and learned how to manage my time better.
That's good example. Now, where do you see yourself in the next 3 years?
In 3 years, I see myself becoming professional accounting with strong skill and experience. I hope I can grow within the company, take on more responsibilities, and continue learning.
Before we end this interview, do you have any question for us or anything you would like to know more about this role?
Yes, I do. What are biggest challenges facing on the accounting team right now? And could you describe a typical day in this role?
Those are great questions. The accounting team's biggest challenges today are keeping up with regulatory change, maintaining reporting accuracy, and meeting tight deadlines, especially at closing. They also need to adapt to new technologies. As the end of the accounting period approaches, they focus on analysis and report completion.
I see Miss Nabila and ready to face the challenge if I am declared to have passed the interview selection.
My pleasure. Thank you for your time today. We will contact you soon regarding the next step.
Thank you very much for your opportunity. I look forward to hearing from you.
Miss Arini Wahyu, please come in and take a seat. Nice to meet you. Thank you for coming today. You are applying for the finance staff position, right?
Yes, that's right.
I'm Miss Laila Putri, the recruitment manager.
Nice to meet you, Miss Laila Putri.
Did you have any problem finding yours?
No, everything was clear, thank you.
Before we begin, let me tell you a little about our company. As you know, we focus on financial service and managing company finance.
Yes, understand, thank you.
Let's start. Can you confirm your full name?
Yes, my name is Arini Wahyu.
What was your favorite subject?
I like introduction to accounting and am also interested in tax.
Where did you study?
I studied at Universitas Semarang
Why did you choose that university?
because it has a good reputation in accounting.
Can you tell me about your skill?
I can manage financial debt and make simple reports.
Why do you want this job?
I want a new challenge and to improve my skill in finance.
You will manage financial record and help with reports.
What are my main responsibilities in this job?
We thought we heard you.
Because I am hardworking, careful, and willing to learn.
Do you like working in a team?
Yes, I like working in a team.
Do you have any question?
No, thank you.
Will contact you soon. Are you still interested in this job?
Yes, I am very interested.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you. It was nice meeting you.
Good morning, tell me about yourself.
Good morning, my name is Cika Afrilia Ezra. I am a graduate from SMK Kusuma Margoyoso, majoring in accounting. I have internship experience at the Sukcapil Pati. I am hardworking, responsible person, and eager to learn new things.
You interested in this position?
I am interested in this position because I want to gain experience and improve my skills. I also like working in a team.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength is that I am disciplined and equipped to learn. My weakness is that I sometimes feel nervous, but I am trying to be more confident.
Describe a time when you face a challenge.
During my internship, I faced a challenge when landing documents. I overcame it by asking for guidance and being more careful and organized.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself becoming more successful, improving my skills, and working in a good company.
Hi, I'm Fitri as applicant and I'm Julia as interviewer. Happy watching. Bye-bye. Good morning, Miss Fitri. Please come in and have a seat. Nice to meet you. Thank you for coming today. You are applying for the accounting staff position, correct? Good morning. Yes, that's correct. Thank you for the opportunity. I'm Julia, the finance manager. Did you have any trouble finding our office? No, everything went well. I'm arrived on time. Thank you. Before we begin, I'll briefly explain about our company and this role. Feel free to ask questions anytime. Alright. Let's start. Can you confirm your full name, please? Yes, my full name is Fitri Kurnia Sulistian. Can you tell me more about your educational background? I graduated at Semarang University with majoring in accounting. During my studies, I learned various subjects such as financial accounting, cost accounting, taxation, and auditing. I also studied how to prepare financial statement, including income statement, balance sheets, and cash flow statement based on accounting standard. What specific skill did you gain? I developed strong analytical and numerical skill. I am able to handle a full accounting cycle, starting from journal entries, posting to ledger, preparing trial balance, adjusting entries, and financial statement. I also learned tax calculation such as PPh 21, PPh 23, and basic PPN. Did you use any tools or software? Yes, I use Microsoft Excel for data processing and reporting. I also practice using accounting software like MyOp and Accurate. Did you work on any project? Yes, I completed accounting project where I prepared full financial report from transaction recording until final report. Can you describe your previous experience? I was responsible for recording transaction, preparing journal entries, reconciling accounts, and assisting in preparing financial statement. Why do you want to apply for this position? I want to develop my accounting skills further and gain more experience in financial reporting and taxation in a professional environment. May I ask, what are the main responsibilities for this position? You will handle journal entries, financial report, and tax-related tasks. And then, What accounting system does the company use? We use Accurate and Excel. Why should we hire you? I have a strong understanding of accounting principle. I'm data-oriented and I can ensure accuracy in financial reporting. I'm also a quick learner and able to work under pressure. How do you ensure accuracy? I always double check my work, perform reconciliation, and follow standard procedure to minimize error. What would you do if you find an error? I will identify the source of the error, correct it, and report it, if necessary, to ensure data accuracy. Are you familiar with taxations? Yes, I understand basic taxation such as PP21, PP23, and PPN, and I have practiced to calculating them during my studies. Do you have any other questions? Yes, may I know the next step of the recruitment process? We will contact candidates with 1 week. Are you still interested? Yes, I'm very interested and excited about this opportunity. Thank you for coming. Thank you for your time. It was a pleasure to meeting you.
Hello, my name is Julia Wika Akana as applicant and
Hi, I'm Fitri Kurnia Slesiani as an interviewer.
happy watching!
Good morning. Please come in and take a seat. It's a good day to see you. Thank you for coming to the interview today. You are applying for the position of waiters, is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm Fitri Kurnia, the manager of this restaurant.
Nice to meet you.
Did you have any problem finding us?
No, the direction were very clear. Thank you.
Good. Now, let's begin. We have your CV here. Can you confirm your full name, please?
Yes, my name is Julia Wika Akana.
Now, I'd like to ask you about your background. What is your educational background?
I have graduated from senior high school.
What skill did you have?
Based on my CV, I have a good communication skills. I am friendly and I can work well in a team. I'm also responsible and hardworking.
Do you have any work experience?
I do not have formal work experience yet, but I have experience from school, activities, and group work.
Why are you interested in this job?
I am interested in this position because I enjoy interacting with people and I want to gain experience in customer service.
What are your strengths?
My strength is that I am a fast learner, friendly, and I can stay calm when dealing with customers.
Do you prefer working alone or in a team?
I can work independently, but I prefer working in a team.
What would you do if a customer complained?
I will stay calm, listen carefully, and try to solve the problem politely.
Do you have any question for me?
Yes. What are the main responsibilities of waiters in this restaurant?
You will serve customer, taking orders, and ensure customer satisfaction.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming today.
Thank you for your time. I'm very interested in this position and I hope I can be part of your restaurant.
We will contact you soon.
Thank you. I look forward to hearing from you.
Good morning. Thank you for coming. How are you today?
Good morning, I'm doing well, thank you.
Okay, let's get started. Can you introduce yourself?
Sure, my name is Maivista Larasati. I am currently an accounting student. I am a responsible and detail-oriented person, especially when working with data. I am also eager to learn new things and improve my skill. I am looking for an opportunity to gain experience and contribute to the company.
Why do you want to apply for this position?
I'm interested in this position because it is related to my background and skill. I believe this job can help me gain real work experience and improve my abilities. I also see this company is a good place to grow professionally.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength is that I am detail oriented and careful, especially when dealing with numbers. I'm also a fast learner and adaptable. For my weakness, sometimes I overthink because I want my work to be perfect. However, I'm learning to manage my time better and be more confident in my decision.
How do you handle challenge, especially when dealing with error in data or calculation?
When I face challenge, I stay calm and focus on solving the problem carefully. For example, when I find an error in data or calculation, I recheck the details and trace the source step by step. If needed, I ask for clarification to make sure the result is accurate. This helps me avoid mistakes and improve my accuracy.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself growing in my career, especially in the accounting field. I hope I can gain more experience, improve my skill, and take on bigger responsibilities in the company.
Thank you for your time. We will contact you soon.
Thank you very much for your time and consideration. I really appreciate this opportunity. I hope to hear from you soon.
Hello, welcome to my job interview.
Hello, Miss Nabila. Good morning. I'm Anissa. I am the recruitment manager here at the Peterson Company. Thank you for coming to the interview today. Let me see. You are applying for the vacancy. We have an accountant position. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Is the weather really nice?
Yes, of course, it's really nice weather.
We have got a lot of people to see today. So let's begin. Can you tell me about yourself?
First of all, thank you for the opportunity. My name is Nabila, and I graduated in accounting from Semarang University. I consider myself a very motivated and driven individual with a passion for continuous growth and learning throughout my career. I have gained valuable experience in different industries. I adapt quickly to challenges and I have great problem-solving abilities. I believe in maintaining a positive and collaborative work ethic. I am confident in my ability to contribute to the success of a company, team, or organization. I will be more than happy to bring my diverse skill set to make a meaningful impact in this role.
Why are you suitable for this job?
Well, at my previous company, I managed a small team that works on a lot of projects related to this position. And I'm very proud to say we were consistently the top performers in our department.
Why do you want to work from our company?
Well, I've actually been looking for a job for about the last month, and I admire your company's commitment to innovation and sustainability. I'm excited to join a team that's shaping the future of the tech industry.
That's great. Let's just run through your CV together. Can you just confirm your age and date of birth for me, please?
Yes, I am 18 years old and I was born on September 207.
What would you say were the main things you gained from your education?
During my studies, I gained strong knowledge in financial accounting, auditing, and taxation. I also developed analytical thinking, attention to detail, and the ability to work under pressure.
What were your main tasks and the responsibilities at latest company?
My main responsibility includes preparing financial reports, managing accounts payable and receivable, and ensuring all financial transactions will record accurately. I also assisted in audits and worked closely with the finance team.
What benefit did you get from this qualification?
This qualification helped me build a solid foundation in accounting principles and improve my technical and problem-solving skills, which are very important in this field.
Why did you leave your last job?
I felt like I kind of reached my peak and learned all I could. So I really feel like I can learn a lot more and develop myself at your company. And that's why I am applying for this job today.
Can you explain the difference between account payable and account receivable?
Account payable refers to the money a company owes to supplier for goods or service received, while accounts receivable represent the money owed to the company by customer for sale made on credit.
Can you describe a challenging accounting problem you faced and how you resolved it?
Absolutely. In my last job, we discovered a significant discrepancy during an internal audit. The financial records didn't match up with our bank statement. I led a team to conduct a thorough investigation where we tracked the discrepancy to an error in data entry. We implemented a double check system to prevent this in the future and retained the staff involved to ensure accuracy going forward.
Alright, so what are your greatest professional strengths?
I think some of my greatest strengths are my communication skill and agility. When my team moved to a new system, I learned it quickly and helped train others, which kept our productivity high.
I understand. Why you think you are qualified for this position?
I believe I am qualified because I have an accounting background and relevant experience in financial reporting and managing transactions. I am detail-oriented, organized, and always willing to learn, which helped me perform well in this role.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself growing professionally within this company, taking on more responsibility, and possibly moving into a senior accounting position. I also hope to continue developing my skills and contributing to the company's success.
That's all I have for today. Do you have any question for me?
Yes, I do. What are the potential challenges for this position?
Some of the challenges include managing tech plans, ensuring accuracy in financial reporting, and adapting to changes regulation. However, we provide support and training to help employees success.
Can you tell me more about the company's accounting process and software system?
Sure. We use several accounting software programs and have a team of accounting professionals who work together to ensure accuracy and compliance with regulation. We value attention to detail, a strong understanding of accounting principles.
When will you decide on this appointment?
We will make our final decision within the next 2 weeks and we will contact you regarding the result.
Thank you for your time and for answering my question. I appreciate the opportunity to interview for this position.
We were very impressed that want to offer you the job.
I'm sure that with my experience and the training you are offering, I would be a valuable asset to this company very quickly.
Okay, that's great. Thanks for coming today. I hope your journey back is okay.
Thanks for your consideration. It's been a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you for attending at the interview today, Nabila.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Overall, we were very impressed with your performance. You showed a good understanding of accounting concept and communication. You answer clearly.
I'm glad to hear that. Thank you.
We also like your problem-solving approach and your positive attitude. However, we encourage you to continue improving your technical skill and gaining more experience.
Thank you for your feedback. I will definitely keep improving myself.
Hello, may I speak with Nabila?
Yes, this is Nabila speaking.
Hi Nabila, this is Anissa from the Breakdown Company. I'm calling to follow up on your interview.
Hello, Miss Anissa. Thank you for contacting me.
We are pleased to inform you have been selected for the accountant position. Congratulations!
That's wonderful news. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
You're welcome. We will send you further details regarding your starting date and the onboarding process via email.
All right, I will look forward to it. Thank you again.
We are excited to have you on our team. Have a great day.
Thank you, you too. Sekian, terima kasih.
Good morning. Thank you for coming today.
Good morning. Thank you for the opportunity. I'm glad to be here and I look forward to our discussion.
How would you describe yourself as a person?
Alright, let me introduce myself. My name is Nasifa Afrila Pradita. I'm 90 years old, a graduate of the Semarang University, majoring in accounting. I have a understanding of financial reporting and bookkeeping, and I am detail-oriented and organized. I'm also familiar with Microsoft Excel and accounting software. I am eager to learn, able to work both independently or in a team, so I'm ready to contribute to the company. Thank you.
Why do you think this position is a good fit for you?
I'm applying for the finance admin position because it aligns with my educational background in accounting. I have a basic understanding of transaction recording, financial data management, and simple financial reporting. I'm also used to working in a structured and organized way, which makes me confident that this position suits my skill.
What do you find interesting about our company?
I choose this company because it has a good reputation and a professional work environment. I also see that the company provides opportunities for employees to grow and develop. I am interested in learning more and contributing positively to the company.
Could you tell me about your strength and weakness?
My strengths are being detail-oriented, disciplined, and capable of managing data effectively. I am also a fast learner and able to adapt to new environments. My weakness is that I sometimes focus too much on details, which can make my work take longer. However, I am currently improving my time management skills to stay efficient without recording the quality of my work.
How do you handle situation when you have to ask a new system or application that you are not familiar with?
To handle this, I will learn the system independently by reading guidelines and practicing directly. I am also not hesitant to ask college if there is something I do not understand. In this way, I can adapt quickly and continue to complete my tasks effectively.
How do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
In the next 5 years, I see myself growing as a professional in the finance field, especially in financial administration. I hope to gain a deeper understanding of the company system, be trust with greater responsibilities, and continuously improve my skill through work experience and training. Thank you.
Thank you for your time and for sharing experience with us. We appreciate your interest in this position and in our company. We will review your application and get back to you soon regarding the next steps. Have a great day and it was nice meeting you.
Thank you for your time and consideration. I really appreciate this opportunity. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.
Good morning, how are you today?
Good morning, I'm doing well, thank you.
How was your journey?
My journey was smooth and I arrived on time.
Let's begin. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Putri Ayu Natasha. I live in Batang. I am a responsible and motivation person. I enjoy learning new things and improving my skill.
Can you confirm your date of birth?
I was born 1 March 1 ST 2007.
Why did you choose your Semarang University?
I could study Semarang University because it has a good reputation and provide quality education that support my career goals.
What were your favorite subjects?
My favorite subjects were accounting and business because I am interested in managing finances and understanding how companies operate.
Do you have any work experience?
I don't have much formal work experience yet, but I have gained skill through school projects and teamwork activities.
What are your strengths?
My strengths are discipline, responsible, and being a fast learner. I am also good at teamwork and communication.
What are your work needs?
Sometimes I focus too much on detail, but I am learning to manage my time better and work more efficiently.
Why do you want to work here?
I want to work here because I believe this company can help me grow and develop my skill. I am also interested in gaining new experience in a professional environment.
How do you handle pressure?
I handle pressure by staying calm, managing my team well, and focusing on feeding cohesion.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself growing professional, gaining more experience, and contributing positively to the company.
Do you prefer working alone or in a team?
I can work both independently and in a team, but I enjoy teamwork because we can share ideas and support others.
Do you have any question for me?
Yes, I would like to ask about training and development opportunities in this company.
Thank you for your time today.
Thank you for the opportunity. I look forward to hearing from you. Good morning, Miss Ellie. Please have a seat.
Good morning, madam. Thank you.
Could you introduce yourself?
My name is Putri Aliana Wulandari, a fresh graduate in accounting from Semarang University. I have basic skill in accounting, financial reporting, and Microsoft Excel. I am responsible, disciplined, and good communicator, and able to work in a team. I also have experience helping in a small business, especially in handling simple financial records and serving customers. I am eager to learn and grow in banking.
Why do you want to work in a bank?
I want to develop my career in the financial sector and improve my skills.
What are your strengths?
I'm detail-oriented, responsible, and quick learner.
What are your weaknesses?
My weakness is that I sometimes overthink my work because I want everything to be perfect. However, I'm learning to manage my time better and focus on priorities.
Do you have an experience?
I don't have formal experience yet, but I have helped in a small business and learned responsibility and teamwork.
How do you handle customers?
I listen carefully, stay calm, and try to give the best solution.
Why should we help you?
Because
I'm hardworking, willing to learn, and motivated to grow.
Alright, Miss Ellie, thank you for your time today. We will review your application, and if you are fit, we will contact you.
Thank you, Madam. I look forward to hearing from you.
Miss Zaira Putri, please come in and take a seat. Nice to meet you. Thank you for coming today. You are acting for the finance staff position team.
Yes, that's right.
I'm Miss Arini Wahyu, the recruitment manager.
Nice to meet you, Miss Arini Wahyu.
You have any problem finding us?
No, everything was clear. Thank you.
Before we login with you, a little about our company. As you know, we focus on financial service and managing company finance.
Yes, I understand. Thank you.
Last start, can you confirm your full name?
Yes, my name is Laila Putri.
What was your favorite subject?
I like introduction to accounting and I'm also interested in tax.
What did you study?
I studied at University Semarang
Why did you choose that university?
because it has a good reputation in accounting.
Can you tell me about your skill?
I can manage financial data and make simple reports.
Why do you want this job?
I want a new challenge and to improve my skills in finance.
You will manage financial records and have with reports.
What are my main responsibilities in this job?
Recently hear you.
Because I am hardworking, careful, and willing to learn.
Do you like working in a team?
Yes, I like working in a team.
Do you have any questions?
No, thank you.
We will contact you soon. Are you still interested in this job?
Yes, I am very interested.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you, it was nice meeting you.
Good morning. Please come in and have a seat.
Hello, good morning. Thank you.
It's nice to meet you. Thank you for coming today.
It's nice to meet you too. Thank you for having me.
Did you have any difficulty finding our office?
Not at all, the directions were very clear.
Could you please introduce yourself?
Currently, my name is Sinta Murtiana Widyaningrum and I graduate with a degree in accounting. I have a strong interest in banking, especially in handling financial transactions and customer service. I'm detail-oriented, responsible, and comfortable working with numbers. I'm very motivated to start my career as a bank teller and contribute positively to your bank.
Why are you interested in working as a teller bank?
I'm interested in the position because it matches my background in accounting and my interest in banking service. I enjoy working with numbers and ensuring accuracy, and I also like interacting with customers. I believe this role is a great opportunity for me to develop both my technical and communication skill.
What do you know about our bank?
Based on my research, your bank is known for excellent customer service, strong financial performance, and professionalism. I also understand that your bank prioritizes trust and innovation, which are values that I truly admire and would like to be part of.
Why did you choose accounting as your major?
I choose accounting because I enjoy analyzing financial data and working with numbers. I also like tasks that require accuracy and responsibility, which are important in accounting and banking.
Do you have any experience related to this position?
Yes, during my internship, I was responsible for recording financial transactions, preparing reports, and assisting with cash handling. This experience helped me develop attention to detail, accuracy, and responsibility when dealing with financial data.
Okay, next. What are your strengths?
My strengths are attention to detail, responsibility, and good numerical skill. I can work under pressure and still maintain accuracy. I also have good communication skill when dealing with customers.
Okay, and what about your weakness?
My weakness is that I sometimes take extra time to double checking my work. However, I'm currently improving my time management so I can balance speed and accuracy more effectively.
Then, how do you ensure accuracy when handling cash transaction?
I ensuring accuracy by following procedure carefully, double checking transaction, and staying focused while working. I also make sure to verify the amount before and after each transaction to avoid mistake.
Tell me about a challenge you have faced.
During my studies, I faced a challenge when completing a financial report within a tight deadline. I managed it by organizing my time, prioritizing tasks, and reviewing my work carefully. As a result, I completed the report accurately and on time.
Okay, so how do you handle a difficult customer?
I will remain calm, listen carefully to the customer concern, and respond politely. I will try to find a solution according to company policy while ensuring the customer feels respect and understood.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself growing within the banking industry, improving my skill, and taking on greater responsibilities. I hope to advance to a higher position such as customer service officer or in the finance department.
Okay, it's a last question. What are your salary expectations?
I'm open to a salary that follows the company standard and I appropriate for the position. My main goal is to gain experience and develop my skill in the banking industry.
Alright, that's all. Do you have any question for us?
Yes, thank you. What are the biggest challenges in this role?
The biggest challenges are handling transactions accurately under pressure and dealing with customers professionally. I believe I can handle this by staying confused, calm, and following procedure carefully.
Thank you for your answer. That's good explanation.
Okay, thank you for coming today. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much for this opportunity. I'm very enthusiastic about this position and I'm committed to working professionally, accurately, and providing excellent service to customers. I look forward to hearing from you.
Good morning. Please come in and have a seat. My name is Nanda from HR at PT Garment. You're correct, you applied for the accounting position.
Good morning. Thank you, Miss Nada. That's right. I'm applying for a position is accounting.
To start, could you please tell me a little bit about yourself?
Surely, my name is Tasya Nayada and I'm a recent graduate from Universitas Semarang majoring in accountancy. During my study, I was active in several outside organizations where I developed my skill and teamwork and time management.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
I'm proficient in Microsoft Office and I'm team player. My weakness is that I tend to be less thorough when I work too quickly. To address this, I always double check every entry to ensure everything is accurate.
Why do you want to work in accounting department at PT Garment?
I'm interested in joining this company because it has a good reputation and offer opportunity for growth.
What if you make a mistake?
I will take a responsibility, correct it, and learn from it.
Do you have any question before we finish?
Yes. What happens next?
We'll discuss that in the next step. We will let you know.
Thank you very much for the opportunity given to me to participate in this job interview. I truly appreciate your time and attention, Miss Nanda. I hope I can join the company and contribute my best. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.
Alright, Miss Tasya. Thank you for your participation.
Thank you again, Miss Nanda. Have a good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for coming today. Let's start with the basic. Please tell me about yourself.
Good morning, my name is Yaya Nur Afifah and I recently graduated with a degree in accounting. During my studies, I focused heavily on financial reporting and my organizational management. I've also been involved in several community-based projects where I developed strong teamwork and communication skills. I would describe myself as a detail-oriented person who enjoys solving complex problems.
Okay, next. Why are you interested in this position?
I have been following your company for some time and I am impressed by your commitment to efficiency and growth. I am eager to apply my knowledge of manufacturing accounting and strategic control in a professional environment. I believe my academic background and my passion for this industry make me a great fit for your team.
Alright. Now, what are your strengths and weaknesses?
My greatest strength is my analytical thinking and attention to detail. Whether it's balancing a ledger or managing a project, I make sure every detail is accurate. I'm also very disciplined with my deadlines. And my weakness, sometimes I focus too much on details, which takes longer. However, now I deal with it by using priority scales and strict time management to stay efficient without reducing the quality of the results.
Next, what would you do if you made a mistake at work?
If I realize I have made a mistake, my first step is to immediately admit to my superior and not make excuses. I will analyze where the mistake occurred, look for a solution to fix it, and most importantly, create preventive measures so that the same mistakes does not happen again in the future. For me, mistakes are an opportunity to learn and improve the work system.
Okay, the last one is, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In the next 5 years, I hope to have mastered this field in depth and make a significant contribution to the company's efficiency. I want to develop into a leader or specialist who is trusted to hold strategic responsibilities, as well as help with the junior team members so that we can achieve the company's targets together.
Okay, thank you for your time and have a nice day.
Thank you very much for opportunity. Have a nice day.